In this video, I will show you how to go incognito on Google Chrome. So I'll be showing you how to open an incognito window in Chrome so you can browse more privately without Chrome saving your browsing history on your device. If this video helps you out today, make sure to leave a like, comment below and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials and easy tech guides. So here we are on Google Chrome. Now there's a couple ways that you can actually go incognito. The first way to do this is if you have the Google Chrome shortcut pinned to your taskbar, what you can do is right click onto the Google Chrome logo, and from this menu that comes up you're going to see an option to open a new incognito window. Give that a click and what that's going to do is put you in incognito mode. So what this means is that Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies and site data and information entered in forms. However, your activity may still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, and your internet service provider. Another way to do this is if you do have Google Chrome opened, if you come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open this menu, you can see there is an option here to open up a new incognito window. Give that a click and again what that's going to do is go incognito on Google Chrome. There's also a shortcut as well, which if you hold down Ctrl Shift and then press N on your keyboard, you can see again this is going to open up a new incognito tab. So that's how to go incognito on Google Chrome. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.